Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Man. Today I want to show you the new wireless Apple CarPlay for BMW CIC car. You can see the color is different to the old model here. And the power cable is also different. So in this video I will show you how to connect the cables here. A free wire diagram here. I will show you step by step to install this model. The accessory same as before. There's two video cable here, and this is Wi-Fi antenna. The USB cable here. This is the connector for the microphone here. This is the BMW CIC head unit. The display, and this is the iDrive. You can see on the back of the display, this is the video cable. It comes from the original head unit and connect to the display. And this is the power connector for the display. Just keep it, don't remove it. Yeah. Remove the power connector from the head unit. Okay. And you need to also remove the video cable. And the connector on the back, it also need to remove. Okay. This connector is 4 pins. Another kind of connector is 10 pins. So the BMW CIC have two kind of iDrive knob connector. Okay, this is the video cable. You can see there's a label, video cable, LVDS out here. You can see on the CarPlay box, it have a video out. So you need to connect the cable. Okay, and another connector. LVDS in here, connect it. And this cable, connect LVDS in, right? Another end, connect to the radio head unit. Here. Okay, and the cables from LVDS out, it have connect to the original video cable. Okay, that's fine. This is the power cable. You can see the power cable. This is the female connector. Another is male connector. The female connector connect to the back of the radio head unit here. But you need to notice in the original power cable, it have a two green cable. This is optical fiber cable. You have to move the optical fiber cable to the new cable here. Okay, now I connect it. I remove it. Okay, that's very easy to remove this cable and connect to the new power cable. You have to notice you need to connect the right hole here. Now this is original. This is CarPlay power cable, right? We just remove this connector from this hole. So you need to connect to this hole. You need to notice the direction here. In this way, you should connect to this way. That's very easy to insert the connector if the direction is correct. Here. See? That's very easy. if the direction is wrong, it is very hard to insert it. So this is important. And connect to the head unit this way. And then connect the original connector to the new power cable. Okay, that's fine. Now this is the power cable. We need to connect to the CarPlay box here. Okay, and in the CarPlay box you need to install the Wi-Fi antenna here. Okay, please notice the Wi-Fi antenna, you cannot stick to the CarPlay box and cannot stick to the metal parts. There's still a USB connector here. You can install the USB cable and put this USB cable in the glass box. Now we're talking about the connector on the back of the iDrive here. You can see this connector. There are two connectors, it's 4 pins. This one and this one. Another connector is 10 pins. This one and this one. This connector is 4 pins. The original connector is 4 pins. We have removed the connector here. This one. It removed from the original iDrive, right? This is the female. We have to connect to this. Connect it. And this connect to the original connector. This way. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay, the iDrive also connected. Here, we mainly talking about this. You can see there's a label on the power cable. You can see this CarPlay CAN Auto B here, B. See, you can see this cable. And these are two connectors. CarPlay CAN all in here. Another connector, you can see H head unit CAN. And another side you can see this is a CarPlay low speed CAN. This label you can see. And another is L CarPlay high speed CAN. Because the BMW CIC have different car model. Some car is low CAN, another is high CAN. And the iDrive connector also different. So we need to design the cables like this. I just mentioned it have 3 wire diagram here. The first diagram is low speed CAN. This is default connection because most of cars connect like this. Most of cars connect like this way. So when we offer the product for you, we connect the low CAN like this. This is default connection. This is the first wire diagram. And in the first wire diagram, we need to make a setting here. In the board, in the back of the CarPlay board, you can see this is toggle switch setting. Now you can see it don't have any setting on the back here. Now according to the wire diagram, the setting should be this is the 6.5 inch display. So we just connect we just turn on the 4, and the 7 is about the microphone here. So if you use aftermarket microphone, you should turn on the 7 here. 4 and 7. If your car have bigger display, such as 8.8 or 10.25 wide screen, the bigger than this, the setting would be 3 and 4 and 7 is turned on. Now, because this small screen, we just turn on the 4 and 7. Okay? And in the power cable, you also notice this cable. This connector connect to the IUX in under the armrest box. And I also have other customer ask how to connect this cable. There's audio ground. In fact, you just connect to a screw, then will be fine. Now we power on. You can see this is the CIC menu, right? The iDrive can control the original CIC menu here. The menu button here, hold the button. If you get into the CarPlay menu here, you can see, and click here, exit. If you back to the original CIC menu, hold this metal and we'll go to the CarPlay here. Now I connect a iPhone to use the CarPlay. This is iPhone 12. Now we turn on the Bluetooth here and go to the CarPlay here. You can see here, CarPlay. I click it. It asks to pair the CarPlay. Pair. Allow. Use CarPlay. You can see the CarPlay have connected. Because of my phone, I set to the language as Chinese, so you can see the language here is Chinese. Just change it to the English, so you guys can see the changing here. And see, it have connect the CarPlay. Everything is okay here in this menu. The iDrive can control everything here. And click here, exit, and we'll back to the menu of the CarPlay box here. Everything is fine.